I promise you a car, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What kind of car do you want me to get for you?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Man, that's a very nice car.
Oh my God.
Get you.
There's one I checked on the internet and yeah, I think the one they said is 50 million.
There's nothing
I'll get
I
that
cannot
for you.
do for you, my love. I love you so much. Oh my.
You know, I asked you for your car. You said you want Benz. You see this car? This car is specially made for me.
Really?
You know, initially I wanted us to fly an airplane and I was like, no, why are we flying? Let me spoil you with this car. This car is far better than a plane.
Are you serious?
Oh my goodness. This car can ride itself.
Baby, where are we going now? Where are we heading to?
I told you initially that I want to spoil you. We are going somewhere. And that place? Obi Kubana will be there.
Are you serious?
Kubana Chief Priest will be there.
Are you serious?
You know Tony? You know Tony now?
Yeah. Elumelu?
Tony Elumelu? Yeah, the UBA chairman.
Yeah.
He will be there.
You don't mean it.
Oh my.
I can't wait to be there, baby. I can't wait. I can't just wait to be. Wow! Love you too.
I'll be engaged to you, my love.
I can't wait to be there. There.
Anything for you, baby. Anything for you.
Thanks, baby. Thank you.
I'll spoil you.
Thank you.
Boom. What is happening? A car that I just bought? A car that was specially made for me? That can never spoil? What's happening? My village people have finished me.
Sorry about that. I think we can work it out now. Baby, let's go and look for a mechanic.
The only person that can fix this car must be a German. And to bring down a German to Nigeria now, that fucking hell of money.
You can actually get someone that can do it. You can actually fix this car.
Which mechanic are you talking about?
Let's just get one. Let's go and look for one.
Okay, now, if I say, okay, let's go and get a mechanic, can we get an Igbo mechanic? Igbo. Can we get an Igbo mechanic?
Let's just go.
Because if it's not an Igbo man, if it's not an Igbo man, nobody touches this vehicle.
We'll find one that can do it.
And maybe, do you know any other place here? Do you know any mechanic?
Let's get down first. You can get a keke.
Oh, me. Baby, why will you be describing me like this? Why will you be telling me to enter keke? What is me, keke?
No, it's just for us to fix the car.
Oh. Why? What an embarrassment.
And then
imagine this baby. Hi. If I lose this baby, Hi. If I lose this baby, hi. Oh. Hey. I will show Satan pepper. Alright. I will show Satan pepper.
If you ask me, waiting I go talk. I see no mess, I can look at by that. You follow this, and I'm glass stage. Nigga get it. We be cushy. What do you mean I get it? I'm a cushy baller. We are pushing it. Niggas are taking it. We are singing it. Marketers buying it. We are pushing it. Niggas are taking it. We are pushing it. Marketers buying it. We are pushing it. Niggas are taking it. We are singing it. Marketers buying it. We are pushing it. Niggas are taking it.
Yeah, please, I'm very sorry. Because
Good afternoon, sir.
this is my vehicle. I wanted to use it to go and spoil my baby.
Wow.
My baby. But unfortunately for us, we got here and the vehicle just broke down. Please, where can I get a German mechanic? A German?
What? German Guinea? Are you in Germany, Noga? I don't understand.
Because no, if I cannot get a German, can I get a Igbo? An Igbo mechanic, Igbo mechanic.
Yes, you can get. You see this stress? If you follow here, no stress. You go cross one river, that's River Niger. After you cross her, you go see only
Bam.
Yes.
From San Juan to Laredo, up to 10,000 miles about that, who's gonna take me there? Take me there. From Coruscant to Houston, just like 3,000 miles, brother, how do I get there? Get there. From Chetumal to Laredo, just like 2,000 miles, need some wings just to fly me.
Hey. Igbo are you Igbo? Yoruba. Are you born in Germany? Come on from here, Sebabo. Come on from there, don't touch my vehicle. Hello, sweetheart. I told you it's not everybody that touches this vehicle. If this guy is not born in Germany, and he's not a German, and he's not an Igbo. He's not Igbo. No.
I go Cameroon school now.
You Cameroon, Guinea?
Yoruba. No. I go mechanic school for Cameroon now. I'll try and do this thing.
Yeah, because are you born in Germany?
No, bro.
Are you born in Germany?
Bro,
yeah, I have two options. Either you are a German or you are Igbo man. If you are not of any of them, because don't hey.
Allow him to do something. He says he can do it. Allow him to do it.
I told.
Bro, I'll do this thing no.
Bros, can you just do something? I want to get out from here.
And I will feed do am. I will
do am. Start doing something.
Sweetheart. I told you this car was basically made for me. So you don't believe me. Bro, go and look for me Igbo mechanic.
Bro,
get me an Igbo mechanic because
I will feed do this thing.
Yeah? On your phone, don't touch my vehicle.
Bro, I will feed do am.
Don't touch my vehicle on your phone, don't touch my vehicle like I told you. Because you're about Biko.
It's very simple.
I can manage you. Let him. Go and get me a German mechanic. You don't collect transfer. You don't collect transfer. I go give you 20,000. Go get me. See. Go get me. Either you get me German mechanic. German mechanic. Only Igbo. You know him. You know where you go bring them. Go bring them. Come for me.
Give me 50,000.
I go give 50. I'll give you over 50,000. What is 50,000? Go bring her come. Bring her come. Don't waste my time, oh. You hear me? Yeah? Upon Igbo? Yeah. Igbo now?
I'm from Igbo.
Okay, yeah. This vehicle,
Okay.
It was made specifically for me. We know they too for this Niger.
Okay.
I won't be go spoil my baby. Even the very car when I buy for them, they sell am 40 million. The meeting we were going to, Obi Kubana was there.
Wow.
Kubana T-Priest was there. You know Tony Elumelu, Chairman UBA, he's there. Please, if you know what you can do it. Take out, no waste time. No. Oh yeah, check out. Baby,
No, I'm at work.
Okay.
This motor, the motor pass me. At least I don't go feed you. But I will give you the town mechanic who go feed and do this one. If you touch him at once, you go answer you.
Go bring her.
Go bring her. Just give me small time, I go carry him.
Okay.
Go do am for you.
I let him go say go. Just go, we are waiting. Yeah. Open man, this one again. You have before. Hey!
I don't come here. You know,
my village.
If I even pursue myself, tell me say I don't feel work this thing. I dey tell am say I will feel work this thing.
Hey, my village people.
Oga, you see this madam. Now you be the best.
See there, if you can do it, just do something.
Hey, my village people.
I tell am. If pursue me for here like this, if I dey pursue for here, you are like work. I for go but just say the motor.
I'm tired.
As in put in now.
You don't do and finish.
As in put in now. See am here now.
Sure.
Come see am. As in put in.
Hey!
Simple thing.
I tell you say na.
See am here now.
I tell you say na.
I tell you how to do this thing.
See am now.
No be at the touch that time. The time I no fit do am. I no fit do am.
I dey tell you something. See am.
Bomb. The bomb. Why is it near that bomb? The bomb. Why is it near that bomb?
This is not there.
Hey!
Supros, if they speak broken, you can't talk say you be for Germany or for England.
All of us na Naija we dey. Na Naija we dey. Na Naija we dey.
The best dey first
area. How much I go give you?
Man dey collect. Na small work now. Man collect 50k.
Wetin dey do you
50K,
sef?
bros.
Which one be your own?
50k.
Hey!
We be one o.
But na my village, I say na my village you come from o.
We be one.
Wetin be 50k?
50k bro.
Oga,
I will tell you the collect transfer. No, say we dey cashless system.
Transfer.
Oh yeah. Write me your account number. Give me your account number.
Bring your phone. Come.
Wetin I go give you?
Huh?
Wetin I go give you?
I will give you small thing. Calm down.
I
I will give you small thing.
Ask me. Waiting I go talk. I see no mess. I can look quick by that. Jolo follow this. And I'm State.
I'm MC Mr. Current, a comedian, actor, Federal Republic of Nigeria. But presently we are shooting a skit that is dwelling more on societal beliefs and misconceptions in a Nigerian setting, and trying to make people understand that Nigeria is one. Whatever tribe you're from, just understand that you're in Nigeria. You are not Igbo, you are not Yoruba, you are not Hausa. You are in Nigeria. And sell it out to all the people over there. Across Africa, across Europe, across America, across the Caribbean. Thank you.
Yeah, if you ask me, waiting I go talk. I see no mess, I can look quick by that. Jolo follow this, and I'm State. Nigga get it. We be cushy. Go to me, I get it. I'm a cushy baller. We are pushing it. Niggas are taking it. We are singing it. Marketers buying it. We are pushing it. Niggas are taking it. We are pushing it. Marketers buying it. We are pushing it. Niggas are taking it.